So hello, welcome to Smiley Service. Once again, this is the review of the customer number 298, and this is the Macbook Air 13-inch. I believe it's 2015. And the problem was the MacBook is that caused by the component inside got damaged on the mainboard. The capacitor is explodes and the fuse got damaged. So we replaced these two components on this mainboard, and now it's able to turn on the machine again. The battery also got popped up, but I didn't inform customer yet. I'm not sure if he wanted to replace the battery as well. Let me get the adapter. Moment of truth. The battery is bad, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit. It's gone a long way. Anyway, the machine is able to turn on. I'm gonna stop the video right now because it's gonna be too long to wait. So I'll see you on the next video.